Hey, how you doing? So it's that time of the year again, and today we're planting potatoes. I have Yukon Gold potatoes. Now you guys, I've tried a couple of different years in the past to grow potatoes, and I've had terrible luck with it. So we're gonna try again, but this year we're gonna try to grow them in containers. I've seen it done on YouTube where people grow them in straw, they grow them in their native soil, leaves, sawdust. So we're gonna give it a try one more time. So stay tuned and you can watch me try to grow potatoes in containers. So here you can see I have a few inches of soil in each container. I'm putting between 1 and 3 potatoes per container, depending on their size. After that, I'm just going to cover the eyes until they start to grow. Okay, so as you can see here, we'll put a few inches of soil in the bottoms of each pot, and I set the potatoes in depending on the size of the potato. The smaller the potato, the more I put in the pot. The larger potato, the less I put in. And then I covered up the eyes of the potatoes with more soil. And if you want to stay tuned, in a few weeks we'll see what we have. And as they start to grow, we'll hill them by adding more soil. Alright, so as you guys can see here, my potato plants are getting a little bit bigger. It took 2 weeks for them to sprout and emerge from the dirt, the soil. And then it's been about another week and they're starting to outgrow the pots. So it's time to hill up the potatoes. And basically what that means is we're just going to take some of this potting soil mix here, and we're just going to cover the plants, and then they will emerge again. They will start to grow out of the soil again, and eventually we'll have potatoes growing inside the buckets. So you can see there's still some leaf showing. I think that's okay. They're just gonna grow out of the buckets, and potatoes are gonna grow under the soil. And then once the plants turn yellow and die off, then that's about everything they're gonna do, and you dump them out and you pick the potatoes. We'll show you that later. Good morning. This is 1 week after hilling the potatoes. As you can see, they're going strong, going hard. So I think next weekend we're gonna come in here and we're gonna try to hill them one more time up, you know, above the bucket, like a true hill. And then after that, you know, a couple weeks, couple months later, they're gonna all turn yellow and die back. And we'll dump the buckets out and pick some potatoes.